Dongying Ferrari in the 1990s. In this dying roadside repair shop, the boss's toolbox is scattered in the broken car. Parts and tools are all over the place. I asked. The boss smiled wryly and shook his head. I can't even scrape together the tools to fix him. The next second, his eyes suddenly lit up. But it was in my childhood dream. Let this 3000 GT roar again. Now look through, but this is our childhood obsession. It's done. Dude, you gotta help. Next, let's fight him directly. Don't miss every part. Also difficult. I've been working so hard. Brother, hurry up too. The carbon deposits of this piston have turned into briquettes, and they are still worn. Then we'll just download it for him again. It's been too long. The hydraulic stop lever, the hydraulic failure is you away. Even dry tiles and crankshaft depressions due to long-term wear and tear, causing deep groove scratches on the surface. The force of rust cracking is basically scrapped. This valve is a counterfeit product. Oil leak. We'll both solve it for him this time. Engine broke up. Throw it directly. The ultrasonic glass is cleaned, and the core soup tank will be laid off immediately. Machine tool opening. This cylinder and barrel are worn down after measurement, close to 6 gears. Start soup bowl. Just finished. We never did. After the second fascia is strictly restored, the roundness of the steel bar is less than or equal to the magic way. Can we drop the gearbox? A large amount of mixed pollutants of rust and sludge were found in the gearbox, which will exacerbate the wear of the friction plate. Long-term sudden braking or brake overheating causes brake bone wear. The side effect is obvious in the second and fourth gears. Replace all clutch seals. This is air tightness. Lufung must also be replaced. Make sure it's in place at one time. Engine parts have arrived. Start left and right. A moment of magic, and it worked. Side cover recustomization. Do you think we will make it? The front and rear bridges are like this. It's okay, you're here. I believe you won't let him be reborn. Sewing and mending for another 3 years. This is ours. After the front and rear bridges broke up, our magic stone carving began. Completely remove rust. Then spray the chassis rust-proof diamond gas. Let's give Jichuan and Chevy a bubble bath again. Wash away this Nomad from the 90s.